Hi friends, Ms Donzella from at Ms Donzella Cooks, and today I will be making a simple pasta dish. And in my pan I have some leftover unstuffed bell peppers. And for the full recipe on how I created these unstuffed bell pepper with ground turkey recipe, um, check out my YouTube channel and Ms Donzella Cooks, where you'll find the recipe under unstuffed bell peppers over rice. So today I'm taking that same, this is how you do some budget-friendly cooking here. I'm taking that same mixture of my unstuffed bell peppers and ground turkey. You can use your ground beef if you like. And I have cooked some just plain macaroni noodles. We're going to put this together. And if you have a large family, this is a great meal, budget stretcher meal. And this is all created from some leftover unstuffed bell pepper and ground turkey recipe that I had created. You can use ground beef, but we'll put it together just like this. And it really feeds a lot. And what I'm going to do, your seasoned unstuffed peppers already have cheese and spices, tomatoes, and everything in this. If you can see, you might be able to see some of the tomatoes, everything. So that's already there, so you don't have to do any seasoning, but since the pasta may dilute your seasoning just a little bit, I'm just going to add some of my Mrs. Dash chicken grilling blend. I am not promoted or am I endorsing any of these products. These are products that I just like to use. So Mrs. Dash, season it up a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit more onion powder. And I like mine a little spicy, so I'll be using a little Slap Your Mama. And I also will be using a little bit of garlic powder. Okay, just turn this down low. Stir this all together again. So that's simple, just how this came together. Like I said, this already has cheese, seasonings, and everything in it. The unstuffed meat blend. Okay, friends, we'll just turn this off and we will plate this. Set this here. So. So here we are, friends. Here's the start. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some cheese on top. mozzarella, and cheddar. And so, friends, this is such a simple dish. Looks like so. And all you have to do, friends, is melt your cheese in the oven, or as I'm going to do, in the microwave for about, let's see, a minute or two. I'll be right back. And friends, while that's melting in the microwave, in a microwave safe dish, if you want it really quick and not want to have to bake it in the oven, which you don't have to, this is a very quick dish made from leftover unstuffed bell pepper recipe that you can find on my channel, and it will be found with the unstuffed pepper over rice recipe. Now let me check and see how our pasta is doing. Not quite finished. Should take just maybe another minute or two. This comes together really fast. This is how you can really stretch your food that you have in your pantry. Simple ingredients made with love. And remember, friends, cooking with love provides food for the soul. All right. Now let me check our pasta. And friends, with the price of groceries being as expensive are these days, we have to take what we have and work with it, stretch it, do the best we can with what we have. And here you have it, friends, just a few minutes in the microwave. We have this simple pasta dish. Let's see what this looks like. There we go. There we are. Let's get a better spoon than that. There we go. Here we go, friends. And what's better than a nice pasta dish, cheesy, and look at the pull on that from that mozzarella cheese. There we are, friends. And friends, if you like, we can finish it off with some Parmesan and Romano cheese on top. There we are. There you have it, friends. Simple pasta dish. I hope you enjoy it. If you like simple, easy meals, budget friendly, that your family will love, check out my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. And thank you, friends, for watching. And again, like, share, and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos for easy, simple dishes. Check out my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. And have a blessed day, friends. And remember, cooking with love provides food for the soul.